once again after the ending of a first assignment of physics of grade 10. It's been the time for physics of grade or what you call class 10th. Starting off, second assignment. You can check it out there. Second assignment. So, in this particular part, so our today's concept is electric current. Electric current, which is denoted by I, by an alphabet or letter I. Now the question arises, what is electric current? What is an electric current? This is supposed to be the question over there. To answer this particular question, let me take an example. This is, for example, a wire. We all know that wire is in the form of a cylinder there. This part which I am circulating, most of the kids always have doubts in these. Much of these circular portions, this is called area of cross section. This is called area of cross section. Remember this. For example, this pen, let me take another example. For example, this pen, this circular area, this is called area of cross section. If I'll cut it into two parts, whatever the area will come, that is called area of cross section. As this is like a circular path having, for example, a radius r, then its area can be found out by just giving like by just using the formula of circle, area of circle. So let's not waste the time. Now we know electric current means simply a flow of charge. It means simply a flow of charge. Now we know that. Which charge, that we will talk later on. For the timing being, I am just taking example. For example, this is point A and this is point B. When I touched this particular part A, I got, okay, I felt, yes, some charges are there and I'm just feeling a little shock over there. But when I touched at this particular point, which is not possible because this is the same wire, which is not possible. In the same wire, it stays same. But just for the sake of example. At this point, when I touched, I got a shock. I just got a shock. It means here current at B is much more than current value at A. Now then, what is current? I just told you in the beginning of this example that current is nothing, just a flow of a charge. And you all know charge is denoted by letter Q. In some books, it has been denoted by small q, or in some, like in your book, in S chance, which we are going to follow for 10th grade, capital Q has been there. Now, what is the meaning? It simply means here, like the current is more, means here the charge is more. Very simple. Here the current is less, it means here the flow of charge is less. It means here flow of charge, here flow of charge per unit time in a given time, unit time that can be 1 second, 1 minute, or 1 hour, is less than here. It means here the flow of charge per unit time is more. That's why here the electric shock or electric current is more. So we got the definition. Then what is electric current? Simply a flow of charge per unit time. This is what we call it as an electric current. Now let us find out its unit. So I know I is equals to Q upon T. Now the SI unit for charge is coulomb, and for time it is second. So SI unit for current is, from above I concluded it is coulomb per second, which is written as ampere. So ampere. So SI unit of current, current is ampere. Now, very commonly asked question, define 1 ampere. You can easily define from the formula only. Define 1 ampere as current is equals to charge flowing per unit time. Now I want 1 ampere. Answer, I want 1 ampere. To get 1 ampere, charge must be 1 coulomb and time must be 1 second. 1 divided by 1 gives 1 and coulomb per second makes ampere. It means the value of current at any point A or B or C is said to be 1 ampere if 1 coulomb of charge flows through that point in 1 second, and that value of current is said to be 1 ampere.